Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 3 combined with the PiXtend PLC, Programmable Logic Control. The Raspberry Pi is running a special version of Raspbian Linux. Special because it is adapted with the library for the PiXtend PLC. Last time I was checking out the wiring and the success of pressing this button for these LEDs to succeed, to light up, and running the program I should see also other LEDs light up, but primarily this. And at the last instance of last time the LEDs started to work again. So my question is, will they do it again? Let's check out and then go further from that. Alright, so in this part of the video I go to screencast, and if you've seen this series of videos before, then, or the previous episodes, then this is SSH to start the VNC server you see here, the client. No Python but C, and then a little bit backwards. It's a little bit better for view. So this is the part I'm concerned with, and this is the wiring schematics with added LED 4, which is this one. So let's see if things will work out. And of course, to run it I need this one, which says nothing. So I have to press the button. Oh, that's a surprise. Last two times I got no result. Now it says 255. That's a nice surprise. So probably all the wrong results I got were because of the wiring, I think. Because if you remember some videos before, I got a lot of values, but none of them the whole range. So that is quite an improvement. This is very nice. That said, this means that the input works, but does the output work as well? Because that is another problem. Output is right here. And with pxauto, right, I have to put this a little bit here. Yeah, let me open another tab. Yep, pxauto and pxauto. Test tool. And yeah, come on. All right. Anyway, the out, and I say true. At least trying to say true. Something should work then. Why doesn't it work when you want it to work? So true. That's not how you write true. Oh, wait. So here, true. Is something going on? Yeah, one LED here is on. You cannot see it at this moment, but now you can. So I'll move the camera over here. So here you can see one LED on. Then a second LED, third LED, very bright, fourth LED. Okay, so these work. Yeah, that's one nice thing. The only problem here is that I don't have digital output working. So let me try that as well. But the problem with digital output is that it does not work in C, but in Python it does. So let me open new tab. Yeah, new tab to save space. And I have to leave this directory. And the Python is serial test because that also addresses the digital output. That's a relay, but digital 0. And you see here the various digital outputs. So wait again, relay, and once again here. So why does it work with Python and not with C? That's quite irritating. Okay, view the Python code. And here it is quite simple actually. The P digital output, P dot on, and P stands for because I have to look quite early. P is PiXtend. Then P open, and then P digital output. So I would imagine that that would work in C as well. Let me just try it. You never know. P is PiXtend. And here I have this PiXtend library, which I don't have here. I have to include the PiXtend library. Okay, let me do that. That makes a lot of a big difference, of course. Include, that is called pxdev lib. Xtend, yes. .h. Now, if this truly works out, then it should compile nicely. Oops. So let's try that one. how did I compile it? Like this. And see, that doesn't work. So it can't find it, so I have to look for it. After some searching, I have found the location of the extend library, header file for C. Then, of course, it is called SPI setDout. And I compiled it with success, which doesn't mean it works, but I can always try. This will output 0. Not quite what I expected. No, which is correct because this is not the way to do it. I have to really set it. So this goes. And then this would work. Yep, it compiles fine. Does something go burn? Yeah, it burns. First one burns. Okay, so now I am going to do it differently. I repeat this, and I said I change this into 3. So actually this is removing, and I say once again 1. So this means that 1 and 3 should go on. Compile, go, and I should have, oh, that's 2 LEDs. So is that 1 and 3? Or does it count binary? That's an interesting thought. If it counts binary and I disable this one, yes, so if I say 5, then from these 2 LEDs, this one will go off and this one will go on. So it is 1 on, 1 off, 1 on, if I say 5. Let's check that one. Then I actually only need one of them. This one will go. And I replace this with 5. Let's see what happens. And that is exactly what happens. So it counts binary. That is a very nice result indeed. So I can set the output, which doesn't mean that I can measure anything here, because that has failed me for some time. But now I can, using C, set the output. And 255 will be all outputs, I think. But this is with off, on, off, and on. It's the digit. It's the binary digit of 5. So that works. Now testing once more with this button for the input. Says 255. Very good. And with this very nice result, I think I'll leave the rest for next time. And with this result I do say thank you for watching. Nice result with both this and the digital output. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Please leave a comment for any suggestions or whatever. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. And please show support by becoming either a patron or donate via PayPal or IBAN. More information via my website, which is under the video or in the final segment. Thanks to my Patreon, which is listed and mentioned on my website as well. This is going to be continued. Stay safe, have a nice day, bye.